Many people think they can juice the stock market by buying in the lowest lows and selling in the highest highs in the shortest time period possible. They spend hours to figure out how prices move and how they can make the highest profit. But is it really worth it to use up much of your precious time if you can spend with friends and family to time the lows and highs? This is in 2 minutes, and we will show you how much more you can make if you are so lucky to time the market perfectly, and also how much you miss out if you don't invest at all. A recent study by Charles Schwab Investment Group has gone through multiple time periods and considered a few scenarios to determine if timing the market is a way to go. Consider Jack the Jackpot, who buys always in the lows and sells in the highs. Starting in 1993, he spends $2,000 annually buying his stocks exactly in the valleys and sells everything in the peak of 2012. Chris the Consistent is another investor who does not care about lows and highs and pours $2,000 in the market every year at a fixed time and takes profit in 2012. Larry the Loser tries to do the same thing Jack does, but he ends up buying at the peak of every year from 1993 to 2012. And finally, Patsy the Pessimist, who does not invest at all and keeps her cash in the bank in the form of treasury bills. Results are very interesting. Obviously, Jack ends up with highest gains to the amount of $87,000, but only 6% in 20 years more than Chris the Consistent guy, who finishes the line with $82,000. Quite surprisingly, Larry the Loser made good money as well. He ended up only 17% in 20 years lower than Mr. Perfect. Finally, let's look at the pessimist, who never invested because he was too afraid to invest. She ends up with whopping 41% less than the best guy in the race. Now the decision is yours. Would you like to spend tons of time for 20 years to earn only 6% more? Would you like to keep your cash in the bank because you're too afraid to invest? Or would you like to pick a consistent, disciplined approach to invest in the long term while enjoying life with your loved ones? Thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next one.